35 liters of 27:8 milk and water solution is removed and replaced with water. This operation is done thrice, and the solution now has milk and water in the ratio 8:27. What was the total volume of the original solution? Now, let's assume the volume of the original solution as X. Now, 35 liters is removed and replaced with water. So therefore, it becomes X minus 35 upon X. This operation is done thrice. So therefore, it becomes raised to 3. This is equal to the remaining quantity of milk upon the original quantity of milk. Now, originally also, the milk was not pure milk. It was in the proportion 27:8. So therefore, we will have to multiply the right hand side with the proportion of milk. Now the milk is 27 upon the total, that is 27 plus 8, that is 35, is equal to. Now the remaining quantity of milk to the original quantity of milk. Now we can have that as the ratio. Now milk is 8 and the addition of 8 plus 27, that is 35. So this will be our equation. So 35 gets cancelled. We have x minus 35 upon x whole cube is equal to 8/27. If we take cube roots on both sides, we have x minus 35 upon x is equal to 2/3. By cross multiplying, we get 3x minus 105 is equal to 2x. So therefore, we get x is equal to 105. So that's what we had assumed, x as the total volume of original solution. So answer will be 105 liters.